Hello everyone. So as we all know, due date of filing CSR2 has been extended to 30th June 2025. Let's break it down. CSR, Corporate Social Responsibility, is a voluntary responsibility of corporates to improve social, environmental and economic impacts. So who should file CSR2? Every company who has touched criteria of net worth of rupees 500 crore, turnover of rupees 1000 crore and net profit of rupees 5 crore needs to file CSR2, that is annual report on CSR, corporate social responsibility. India is the first country who has mandated to spend amount on CSR activities on companies on 1st April 2014. Average 2% of net profit of preceding year needs to be spent by these companies on CSR activities. So what are the details which needs to be furnished in CSR2 form? First of all, details of CSR committee members, amount which has been spent on CSR activities during the year, impact assessment, amount unspent on CSR activities, CSR project undertaking. Further, any amount which remains unspent by the companies on CSR activities on ongoing project must be utilized within 3 years. Otherwise, that fund needs to be transferred to the activities mentioned in Schedule 7 of Section 135 of Companies Act. So let us understand with a basic example what will be considered as amount spent on CSR activities. For example, आपका कोई employee है and he needs 10 lakh rupees to support his children education. You have given that 10 lakh. That 10 lakh amount will not be considered as amount spent on CSR activities. Whereas you have provided 10 lakh rupees to support education of underprivileged children, then this amount will be considered as amount spent on CSR activities. Stay compliant and transparent with your CSR reporting. Feel free for follow-up questions and let me know if you need my assistance.